Uh, I'll be writing a program that generate random characters after the user inputs a number 1 through 10. So first thing I want to do is include the IO stream header file. Then I want to include the random header files to generate random numbers. And I'm gonna create my function prototypes. First one is gonna be a user input. Then I'm gonna have the genchar function prototype to generate random characters and store them in an array. Then I'm gonna have a display char that takes an array, a char data type, and an int for the size. Then I'm gonna go ahead and declare my main function. I'll just put return 0 for now. Then afterwards I'll call my functions. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go into my to define my first function, which is user input. Inside user input, I'm gonna define an int variable called num or random. Then I'm gonna prompt the user. Wow. And I'm gonna prompt the user to enter a number between 1 and 10. Then store that number into the variable random. Then I'm just gonna return random. Return. I'm gonna go into my second function definition. It's gonna be gen char. In this function, I'm gonna create another variable int called num. I'm gonna assign the user. I'm gonna call the user input function, and then I'm gonna create an array of char that holds chars with the size of num. And to get the random number, I gotta say random device, my engine. And that generates random bits. And I'll convert it to an int. So I say uniform int distribution. So int, create my function. I'm gonna call it rand_l. And then I'm gonna put 65 as a starting to 122 to get all lowercase and uppercase letters. Then I'm gonna go ahead and create the for loop to store each character into the array. And if I is less than num, then I plus. Now in this, I'm gonna first generate my random. Create another function to call random num to store a random number inside it. Call rand_l. My engine Finish that. Then I'm gonna create a char, call it later. And I'm gonna change the data type using static cast. We want to change it to a char, and then we put random num in parentheses and that statement. Then we stored the letter or the character into the array that we just created. In that statement. And now I'm gonna just call my display char since the array is in this function. I'm gonna call the display char with the array and the num since it's already in this function. Then I'm gonna go ahead and create it and define it now. So display char, it takes parameters of array and int size, curly braces, and gotta be a void. Inside curly braces now, I'm gonna print out every element in the array. So generated characters. And now a for loop. I'm just copy this. And then I'm gonna just say standard cout, put a blank space for readability, and then I'm not gonna assign it. I'm just gonna print what is in the array, and we're gonna use size here. And now in my main function, I'm gonna just call genchar, and we should be done. Say 6 characters, and there you have it.